Now guys, I know you want to know more about this van. Some of you have asked me specifically. I have a lot of work to do on it. When I get that done, I will make another video detailing everything about the van for you. But it might take some time. I'm waiting for the weather to get nice, so hopefully this summer have some nice weather. A lot of work I have to do on it, and I have to sand it and paint it, and I have to get some of the wiring figured out. But whenever I get all that done, I will show you more about the van in detail. Thanks for watching.